So I haven't played the piano in like 10 years. This is the piano that I grew up playing. I stopped playing piano in like 7th grade to take up guitar because I thought it was a lot cooler. I'm way better at guitar than I am piano, but this was mine that I grew up on. This is my grandma's. My grandma gave it to my mom, and now I just got it for my first house. So this is very cool. It's very awesome. It's a nice addition to the house, especially this nice little cleaning bottle right above it. But I have an update on the house for you guys today. This is gonna be another exciting day. I'm focusing most on moving this week, especially considering something huge might be happening tomorrow. So we need to get as much moved in as possible. I have been sick, by the way. I've been MIA. I was super sick for like 3 days. So I'm gonna give you guys an update on what's going on. So the biggest thing is we now have a living room. Look at this. Look at this. We have a living room, boys, and a wife that's carrying bags. Earlier it was just really empty and blah, but now I have so somebody called this a boneless couch in my last video, and that really made me laugh, so thank you for that. But it's awesome. I'm psyched to have this, it's like kind of coming together. We still need some more decorations and stuff like that. We finally used the kitchen. I got to cook breakfast today. I still haven't been able to cook a whole lot because we just have been so busy. Is our room kind of clean? We actually have a bed now. We're not sleeping on the floor. I don't know if I even showed you guys that, but yeah, we definitely need some decor in here, kind of bland, getting some blinds so you creepos can't spy on us, making love at midnight. And then we still have, it's still kind of a mess in this part of the house, but I have a desk to edit on, which is wonderful, but I still need so many more things over here to make it feel a little more homey. And we have a table to eat at, but it's still filled with boxes. Oh no, puppy! Bye. It's like, come on out. Like, I'm gonna dip out of here, guys. Sorry. So this is still a constant move-in process, and still very super thankful for this house. We have so much more to do, but we got all the simple stuff kind of out of the way. Now we gotta hang some stuff, make the house feel a little bit more like a home. That's a big process. It's so easy to do to a small apartment. Well, it's not like easy, but it's just like way harder in a house. And then you gotta buy a bunch of stuff, and that's never fun. Talk to you guys a little bit about the garage. That's the main point of today. Oh. And we have a washing machine. We actually can do laundry now. Here we go. So yesterday's video, or 2 days ago's video, whatever it was that you guys saw, you saw that we brought the cars back. Yesterday I was again very sick. I didn't film the process of moving in. I was hoping I was going to be able to do that. But we had movers come, obviously, is why we have a furnished house. So I have my toolbox back. I have a bunch of crap here, like all labeled. You see like the SC300 box. Victoria got me a very good organization system here, and I'm kind of digging it. And I want to make sure the garage can handle that. So we need some more space. First things first, this morning we had a consultation. So this garage is way too short. The actual height of the garage is fine. The garage door is like super short. And if we're gonna have a lift in here, which I've already told you guys, where Bend Pack is coming out and outfitting this garage, outfitting this garage here in a couple weeks, I need to have the garage door higher, which means I need to buy a whole new garage door. They're gonna have to redo the tracks. I'm gonna have to get a side mount, and it's going to go basically all the way up to the roof. Maybe like 3 or 4 inches off. But they said they could do that. Good thing is we can have cars in here. I can stack 2. Side note is only one side. The small side of the garage is like $1,300 for that. So it's better than paying for a shop. I would still rather do that. This is way better. I think what we're gonna do is only keep one side of only like raise one side of the garage, and then eventually if we do another 2 posts right here, we'll raise this, but right now that's okay. We do need to fix the bunkiness. I don't know whose mans did this garage, but they didn't do it very well. Like, what is this? Like, at least cut it, dog. Aside from that, we're still waiting on consults, and we're gonna shop around a little bit, wait for that. But first order of events today, I want to make the garage have enough space. I want to provide enough space for myself for all of my tools and storage stuff, but also I want to have this really dope shelving system. I'm just gonna go ahead and move some cars out of the garage. Hopefully it doesn't rain, because it seems like every single time I wash my Evo, like it's clean. Every single time I wash it, it starts raining on it. so here we go. What's awesome is we've had an apartment for the past, years. So we were able to at least get a garage started. We don't have a bunch of upfront costs. Like if we had to buy shelves, a toolbox, and all this kind of stuff, like right now, it would be a lot of stuff. But thankfully, like our biggest upfront cost is going to be getting this garage replaced. We got these and they're fully customizable. Some of the parts are still at the other garage at the apartment, but so these right now stand as two. We can remove this piece. We can put all of these arms onto this leg and we can extend this and we can have shelving all the way across. And we have plenty of other stuff at the apartment. So what we're gonna do first is, I think what I wanna do is have all of this be shelving and then up like tires and crap over there, because we need to get all this stuff that's over here on the shelves somehow. And I'd like that to be kind of out of the way. So this kind of stuff can be immediate. That I can create into a workbench, which I would actually do. I would love to have a bunch of storage up top for things that aren't really necessary. Maybe put some tires and wheels up there. I don't know. God, this is so much space. It's not a warehouse, but dude, look at this. Like, it looks way bigger in person than it does on camera. That's what she said.
When the sun comes up, champagne and Tropicana, blunts rolled up, twisting Cubans from Havana, turkey bacon, egg white, strawberries and banana, coconut water, hydration, need my stamina, kids with they nana, I hope they mind their manners.
Part one done. This is now one combined shelf. Now we have one more of these little guys so that we can go ahead and use to move it this way. So we're gonna have to clean up some of the old tiles and stuff like that. We can probably put some of this in the attic, yeah? Yeah, so now we need to go home. We need to grab the fire extinguisher, the lighting setups, and the other stuff, other bars, so we can go ahead and go across. Also, random side note, while I'm getting rained on and the car is not unlocked, we had like 100 orders or something come in last weekend for 5-3, and I want to thank you guys. That's crazy awesome, huge blessing. We're about to drop them off, and also I know a lot of you guys ordered window banners. Those finally are in. Those are pre-order only, so we have to order them after the sale's over. Banners are going out soon?
Yeah, in the next few days.
Crazy to think that this little place is no longer our home, even though we still have it at least for a while. That's awesome, dude. Whoa, the garage looks so bare and disgusting. I have a lot of cleaning to do. So we're gonna get some flags and stuff to get the new garage decorated. I'm definitely gonna take this one. This is my favorite for sure, because all of my homies in Dallas came to sign it before we moved to California, and it's just special to me. Yikes, Kevin. Before I even knew Kevin, my fab guy, he came and just did a nice yeet on my flag. Also, we gotta get this all, I guess I'll move tires and stuff another time. Let's get some flags. We can probably try and get some more parts and stuff over there. And then we need to get this damn Z fixed. Okay, so update. Whew, I'm a little out of breath. This is nowhere anywhere near close to being done, but right now this is very helpful to just get things organized. Whew, these two are gonna be storage for a bunch of stuff. I've got Z, SC300, Evo, and some other boxes that I'm gonna go ahead and pile on top. I'm gonna keep detailing stuff over there. So I'm gonna have basically two like workbenches. This is gonna be my main workbench. I need to go to Home Depot and get a big piece of wood that's probably like a 1/4 inch thick. That's the exact same size as this metal, this mesh metal, so I can set things on it. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with this. I have it up to match this. I don't know if I'm gonna use this as a second workbench or some more storage or whatever, but right now, what's amazing is we have so much room to store so many things just chilling in the garage. After I get some more stuff put away, I'm gonna go ahead and start putting some banners all over the garage. There, where should I put some banners? Should I do them like all across the back? Huh. Thank you, by the way. You guys about a year ago sent me most of these banners, and I love them. They're a great way to decorate the garage. Wow, I feel fat and old. Maybe I am just fat. So what I'm gonna do, above all the storage, is I'm gonna have manufacturers of cars that I have owned. I'm gonna try and make it go all the way across. I'm sure I definitely can. So over here, I've got Jeep SRT, which, you know, rip to that car. Subaru STI, of course you gotta do that one. I actually bought this little guy in college and had it in my college room. Very cool little flag. Mazda for the Miata. Now we have an FC in the family, but I haven't heard from Chris in way too long. Chris, if you're still alive, text me. Mitsubishi, I've had this flag for like probably 6 to 8 months now. In fact, 2 people sent me Mitsubishi flags, so thank you guys. I don't know which one I opened, it doesn't matter, but I'm gonna use a Mitsubishi flag finally. And then I got Lexus, and the only thing I need, I have my Porsche at the other place, I need a Nissan flag. So, you guys know for the Z. After I try and fill up this wall, I'm gonna try and do banners of like sponsors and stuff too, so it'll be really cool.
When the sun comes up, cushion San Pellegrinos. I never want to give this up, cause I'm a fiend for your company. Shots of espresso and conversation, which is elevation and mind stimulation. Nothing changed since we dated. In fact, more elated than now we're related kids.
Okay, I'm not gonna lie. So each of these shelves can hold, or rated up to 2,000 pounds. And even though I'm a little thicker than I used to be, it still wasn't very I still was not too confident just chilling up there. But hey, we got it, boys. Hey, what the heck, Lexus? What are you doing? This flag looking bunky. Looking like a bunky little, there you go. Look at this. I will say that I don't think I'm gonna have enough room for a Nissan flag. I'm gonna have to maybe hang the Nissan flag sideways. I'm not quite done yet. Oh yeah, it definitely needs another flag right there. Maybe I'll just put it right there. We'll see, we'll see. Whew, I'm kind of out of breath. Let's put the miscellaneous stuff up like here and there. And this is my Deechworks. This is actually a really nice banner. Deechworks sent this to me. Put this little guy up and then do a couple more organizational things, and we should be about done with the organizing.
A few moments later.
Okay, so we got it pretty much done. I will show you guys this. I got my light set up. I'm actually going to be paying to get like commercial grade lighting in here eventually, so that you know, when we're working late at night and really pissing off the neighbors, we can have really good lighting. I'm actually not gonna do that. I'm gonna be respectful. I'm gonna do my absolute best to be respectful. So if you're a neighbor and you're watching me, promise you won't hear my cars past 8 p.m. I've got a light and kind of exactly how I did in the other garage. So I got some workspace. So the next move is to definitely get a piece of wood here. I'm going to go ahead and get a vise. I'm probably maybe gonna get a drill, a press right there. Like I'm gonna try and get a bunch of like really good stuff. I need an electrician to come in and give us some 220 plugs, and that will be that. I need some 220s for so one for the lift that's gonna go here, 2 for a welder that I'm gonna end up getting, and then I probably have a third one for I don't know, might just do 2. But also, in case you guys didn't know, the world is held together by zip ties. Not only Japanese cars use zip ties to keep everything together, so do garages. So I ran and tucked all of these wires and stuff so you can't see any of the power lines. I literally have OCD, so I don't like seeing that kind of stuff. And now that I have my own garage, I can have the power to keep it clean, and it's nice. And dude, how badass are zip ties, man? Like, it's just keeping it up, and it's never gonna move. As you saw, we still have a lot of stuff in the old place that we still need to move over here. So I'm honestly just psyched that I have so much like over the head shelving space. Like I can put so much stuff up there that I need or don't need. We have room for tires. I actually can probably just go ahead and stack tires up there from now on. It's a really convenient, nice place. And who knows, I'll have probably a roll around cart or something right there. I mean, I have room to put a big ass tool chest right here. And then the 2 really important things to me, Red Bull is the worst energy drink of all time, so I wanted to make sure I remind myself daily. Actually, Full Throttle is the worst, but this is second. And then Monster is also obviously the best, but this thing is just so important to me. This was such a cool meet, and this was a big time in my life, huge changes, so I had to put that there. And so I'm gonna try and continue decorating and like fill the wall up. I got a Porsche thing. I'm gonna need a Nissan, so if anybody wants to send me a Nissan, I have the link in the description with my P.O. box. You guys can send me stuff. I pay for that P.O. box for you guys. And then I'll probably fill up some more stuff. Who knows? I might get some sponsors in here to get some stuff. But man, I'm really, really psyched. This is really turning out to be just such an awesome thing. Again, we are so blessed to have this place, and it's like unbelievable to me. Thank you guys for watching the videos all the time, and thank you also for supporting our merch brand 5-3 Supply. It really means so much. And if you know, you know, we have the most comfortable merch in the world, so you probably don't regret getting stuff from us. So this is phase 1, or I'm gonna say like 0.75 for the garage. We've got some awesome stuff coming, but for right now, Victoria's making tacos, and I really love tacos, and I want tacos, so I'm gonna go eat. I will catch you guys later. Daily advice for you guys. This one's really cool. I think Harrison Ford actually was the one that initially said this. Those who say they can and those who say they can't are both usually right. For simple things and for major things, like, you have no idea how far willpower can go. So I want to encourage you guys to know that if you tell yourself you can't do something, probably can't. If you tell yourself you can, you probably can. Thank you so much for being a part of my life. I love you guys. I say that a lot, but I actually mean it. I really do. I'll catch you guys later. Bye. 2 videos, baby. I don't know what that was about, but 2 videos for you right in front of you. Those are really good videos. If you've already watched them, thanks, but continue watching the channel, boys. I know you missed something, or just keep rewatching. That's good content, boys.